right now, Oracle appears to have won the bidding war to take over the U.S. operations of TikTok, according to a report by the Wall Street Journal, but it may not be an actual outright sale. So Microsoft made an official announcement on Sunday saying that their bid had been rejected, which was surprising since it's thought that they had been in the driver's seat. ByteDance, TikTok's parent company, was facing a deadline of September 15th to reach a sale of US-based operations for the social media platform, with an outright ban threatened for September 20th if that didn't happen. But this deal with Oracle may actually be more of a management situation where Oracle is named as a trusted tech partner, essentially managing these social media platforms' US-based cloud services. Again, we don't have the exact terms released yet, but we do expect that to happen soon. So, there are still some hurdles here. China made a legislative change that essentially bans the sale of artificial intelligence technology to companies outside of China without official approval. And since TikTok's algorithm and databases are essentially what makes it so valuable, there could be an issue on the sale side. For the purchase side, there's the question of whether or not the details in the deal will be enough to satisfy the U.S. government, although Oracle has worked with them a lot in the past, so this could help out on that end. Either way, there's a lot to figure out, but it does appear that as of now, that TikTok will still be around after the end of this week, so its 100 million U.S. users should be okay as of this moment. We'll have all of the details as it unfolds at digitaltrends.com. As the devastating wildfires on the West Coast continue to rage on, there have been a number of rumors posted online sharing unverified information as to what could have started them. Facebook announced over the weekend that they would be removing posts that falsely claimed the wildfires in Oregon, in particular, were started by certain left or right-oriented political groups after the FBI made an investigation and posted on Friday that, quote, reports that extremists are setting wildfires in Oregon are untrue, unquote. This is a little different from Facebook's normal approach to misinformation, which typically involves placing a label on a post, identifying it as such, rather than completely removing it. However, after multiple local law enforcement agencies stated that these rumors were forcing local fire and police agencies to divert resources from fighting fires and protecting the public to answering these rumors, according to Facebook spokesperson Andy Stone, they decided to fully remove them. So the fires in Oregon alone have burned over 1 million acres, displaced up to 500,000 people, there are casualties, loss of structures, and really dangerous smoke has pretty much inundated the entirety of the West Coast, from fires burning up and down it and providing for the worst air conditions on Earth right now. So fighting fires is hard enough without misinformation adding to the danger, but we'll have to wait and see how far Facebook will go in their efforts. You can read more about those at digitaltrends.com. LG has officially unveiled the latest in dual-screen smartphones with a certainly unique approach to the design of them. The LG Wing has had images leaked in a number of places before this, but nonetheless, the actual debut is finally here. The dual-screen phone doesn't have a foldable screen like the Samsung Galaxy Fold or Motorola Razr. Instead, you press a button and the main 6.8-inch front screen rotates 90 degrees, revealing another 3.9-inch screen underneath. Essentially, the goal here is to increase multifunctionality, allowing you to do something like reply to messages or send emails on the bottom screen while watching a video on the now horizontal main screen. And as far as cameras, it's got 3 on the back, including a 64-megapixel main camera, and on the front, it's got a 32-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. It also could capture video from the front and rear cameras at the same time. So the phone will also come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, so it'll have 5G connectivity, and it'll have 8 gigs of RAM, up to 256 gigs of storage. LG has also said that they've tested the rotation on the phone for 200,000 times. So we don't know the exact price and release date, but we do expect to get those soon. You can check out all the details about it at digitaltrends.com. And Facebook has apparently leaked its Oculus Quest 2 headset on its own after videos and images appeared on Facebook Blueprint. So for those that don't know, Facebook Blueprint is an online educational platform that helps people learn how to advertise on Facebook and Instagram. However, they somehow ended up educating everyone on a product that has not been announced yet, with Oculus demo experiences that have been taken down. So there were a lot of specs shown in it, and a line in the text read that this was our most advanced all-in-one VR system yet, according to them. So here's what we saw. The Oculus Quest 2 will be a standalone VR headset, just like the original, but the new one will address a number of concerns, like comfort level. It'll be smaller, lighter, have a cloth strap instead of a plastic strap. It's going to use a Snapdragon XR2 processor, which will allow for 2K displays, dual 2K displays, and the controllers will be upgraded as well with ergonomic features and an option to use hand tracking to where you may be able to ditch them all together. Now, we don't know when the new headset will come out or how much it will cost, but in this era of working from home and quarantine and everything else, a virtual reality escape is seeming more and more appealing. You can check out all the details at digitaltrends.com.